it seems confusing. Now you raise it because you need the money, right? The county needs the money. So
right.
Now you raise it, now you expect to get that income in, and all of a sudden just one day you say, you know, we don't need it anymore.
Well, it shows that he fooled the voters last year when he says, you know, everything will shut down unless we get this tax increase. It wasn't necessary to begin with, and his attempt to roll this back now shows that it wasn't necessary then, and that we can do a whole lot more than 0.25%. People are losing their homes. They're going into foreclosure and bankruptcies. This is the time to give taxpayers of Cook County some meaningful tax reform, and rolling it back a full percentage point to 0.75 would be the right thing to do.
So if you don't raise higher tax, if you don't raise the taxes higher, what do? How do you solve this mess?
It's very simple, actually. 85% of all government spending is related to salaries, payroll, pensions, and benefits for employees. We need to reduce the number of employees working for Cook County. When Todd Stroger and I ran for that office in 2006, I advocated, and he agreed on several occasions, that the payroll should be reduced to 22,000. We're almost at 25,000. We need to go back to the number that he promised to the voters of Cook County that he would reach by the end of his first term. We're not nowhere near it. We need to reduce the number of employees working not only for Cook County, but the state, the city of Chicago, Board of Education, CTA. They're all broke. They're all bankrupt. We need to have relief. Financial relief is going to come through managing the payroll, reducing the payroll. Well, Chinta Strasberg, for example, who is the church liaison for Todd Stroger to the African American churches and pastors, why do we need that at the county board level? Why do we need a church liaison?
How much is she making?
She's making $116,000 a year. We just said in the paper last week a felon who he hired for $60,000 or $70,000 to be at the county highway department. We have too many people at the county highway department. We have too many people in other departments of the county, and we need to manage that payroll down, and that's the only way that we're going to save money for the taxpayers.